Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 9th October 2021 and today's video topic is wrapper class. So in that wrapper class, in the wrapper class in a Java provide the mechanism of a convert a primitive type into object and object into primitive. So Java 5.0 since Java 5.0 auto unboxing features convert into primitives object and object into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into object is known as auto unboxing and vice versa unboxing. So what is the use of a wrapper class in Java? So Java is an object-oriented programming language. So we need to deal with objects many times, like collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. So let's us see the different scenarios where we need to use a wrapper class. So first one is a change the value in method. Java supports only call by value. So if the pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value in an object, it will change the original value. Uh, Second type is a serialization. In a serialization, we need to convert the object uh, into streams to perform the serialization. If uh, if we have a if we if we have a primitive value, we can convert it in objects through the wrapper class. Next one is a synchronization. So synchronization in Java, it is works with object in multi-threading. Java next one is a Java util package. The Java util package is provides the utility utility classes to deal with objects. Next one is a collection framework. Java collection framework. Java collection framework works with object only. All classes of the collection framework like array list, linked list, vector, hash set, link hash set, tree set, priority queue, array, dequeue, etc. deal with object only. So two boxes are in a wrapper class. First one is a auto boxing and second one is unboxing. So let's see, first one is auto boxing. The automatic conversion of primitive data type into corresponding wrapper class is known as auto boxing. For example, byte to byte, character to char to character, int to integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, double to double, and short to short. So let's see second one is unboxing. The automatic conversion of a wrapper type into a corresponding primitive type is is known as unboxing. So it is the reverse process of auto boxing. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the int value method of wrapper classes. to convert the wrapper type into primitive. So we do not need to use the value of method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into object. Thank you.